How to fix can't move icons on home screen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if you are not able to move your icons on home screen. Now let's just jump right in. So let's say if I want to move any icon from here, I can long press on it and try to move it, but as you can see, it says the home screen layout is locked and you need to unlock it from the settings. You can either directly tap on the settings down below here, or what you can do is go to your settings menu, and then from there you need to scroll down here until you find your home screen settings. Tap on it and scroll down. As you can see here, the lock home screen layout option is turned on, so it will prevent items from home screen from being removed or repositioned. You need to basically turn it off, and once you turn it off you can go back, and then you can easily move any items wherever you want. So that is one quick way to fix the problem where you can't move icons on your home screen. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.